What is an internship and how does it help teenagers explore careers? Imagine stepping into a workplace for the first time and seeing what a real job looks like. That's what an internship is. It is a short-term work experience that lets teenagers try out different careers. Usually, internships last from a few weeks to several months and happen during summer or school holidays. They are designed to give teens a taste of what working in a specific field is like. Internships help teenagers explore career options by offering hands-on experience. Instead of just reading about a job or hearing about it in class, teens get to do actual work. For example, a teen interested in medicine might shadow doctors or help with administrative tasks in a clinic. This helps them see if they enjoy the work and if it matches their interests. It also shows them what skills they need to develop for that career. These experiences are also great for building connections. Teenagers meet professionals in their chosen field, which can lead to mentorship or future job opportunities. Making these contacts early can help when applying for college or jobs later on. Employers see internship experience as a sign that a teen is serious about their career and eager to learn. Trying out different roles during internships helps teens make smarter decisions about their future. They can discover what they like and what they do not enjoy. Sometimes, teens find out a certain career is not for them, which saves time and effort later. It also helps narrow down their options for college majors or training programs. In addition, internships teach important skills like communication, teamwork, problem solving, and time management. These soft skills are useful in any job and boost a teen's confidence. They also learn how to behave professionally, such as dressing appropriately and meeting deadlines. Overall, internships are a stepping stone in career exploration. They give teenagers real-world experience, help develop skills, and allow them to see what different jobs are really like. This makes choosing a future path easier and more informed. It is a smart way for teens to prepare for both college and the workforce.